this video, we successfully installed Docker. In this video, I will show you how to create or how to write a Docker file to create a Docker container. So before the creating Docker file, we have to create one application. This is a basic application with Python, file, to just simply print with rm. Okay, let's save this application. And now I will create one Docker file. You can Docker file. You can see Vim Docker file with no extension. Okay, click enter. The first command is we have to select the Docker base image. So use from base image. I will use Ubuntu. Later, so I will create work directory in that container slash app. Okay. When we create Docker slash app, so first I'll write, then I will explain what this command does. First one is a base image for our container, and then I created a directory slash app new directory. And the working directory slash app means after the all commands you wrote here, that will run in that directory. Okay. So copy it's copy dot means copy all the files from the host. Okay. From host we only just created py dot tab.py. So tab.py will copy from host to in app dot with slash app directly. Then after in container I update the old packages and install Python and then try to run the Python application Python 3 app.py. Now I'll show save this repository. Just use Docker file -t. -t is for tag, giving the tag name for the image. My first image. Okay, my first image dot click enter. It will take a time because it's a long process. Installing all. I think something is wrong. Wait a minute, I'll check what is wrong. So here are the mistake. We try to run Python 3, but we install Python. So we need to change this. Use name and I changed. Now if we try to run Docker build -t, my first name is Doc. In this time, I can just start stalling. You can see successfully. It means the image is created. So using Docker, yes, you can see my first image is created. Okay, Celar, sure again, Docker, yes, you can see my first Docker image is created. So now I want to run this. So use Docker run minus Docker run and the name of the epic. You can see ARM is printed. It means our Docker container is created and Docker container will run. So using Docker PS, we can see all the container. You can see my first image, name, image, and container ID is created. Our container is created with this ID 15 seconds ago. If I try to again to run, I don't need to generate again the image. I only need to run this image, Docker run and image name. Again, ARM.